Put on your holiday sweater, put on your Cradle of Thorns hat, if you have one. Get your crock pot out. Let's make some holiday meatballs. If you don't have a Cradle of Thorns hat, you can go to that link right there and order yourself one. If you don't have holiday meatballs and you have been asked to bring something over to contribute to a holiday meal, this is going to be the easiest, most successful possibility you could take. You might even get yourself in trouble because everybody's going to eat these prior to dinner and they might be a little filled up. They're great appetizers, or you can make it as a meal. You can make it for football games, whatever you want to do. 'Tis the season for some holiday meatballs. This really is super easy. You can make your own meatballs if you have something that you really like, or I'm actually going to use some frozen meatballs bought from the store in a big bag. And then other than the meatballs, you have 4 ingredients. You throw them in the crock pot, they're done in a couple hours. And like I've said, people will absolutely love these. What you're gonna need ingredient-wise is a 12-ounce bottle of cocktail sauce, such as you would use for shrimp cocktail or something like that. Crazy? Yes. Here's the even crazier part. We're gonna add canned cranberry sauce to it, jellied cranberry sauce. A lot of people don't like this stuff. I love it. I absolutely love it. But when it mixes in with this dish, you don't even realize that it's jellied cranberry sauce. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. It could be fresh, it could be from a jar, whatever you got. I'm actually using it from a jar. That's all you need. Let's do this. You can mix all of your ingredients straight in your crock pot. Dump in your cocktail sauce. Dump in your brown sugar, dump in your lemon juice, and see if you can get your jellied cranberry sauce to come out of the jar. Bingo. Mix all that up a little bit. Dump in a package of your frozen meatballs. This is a 26-ounce package. You probably don't want to go much bigger than that. Stir it up to mix it a little bit. Turn it on low for 4 hours, or you can go to high if you want it quicker, be about 2.5 hours. Put your lid on it and let it go. Well, there they are, your holiday meatballs. People are gonna love these. I thank my mom for giving me the recipe. I've had it for about 20 years, but these things are delicious. You can serve them as an appetizer with some toothpicks, or you can serve them as a side dish, put them over some mashed potatoes or some rice. Good stuff. What do we say? Eat this. Hot. Those things are so good. A little bit of spice to it from the cocktail sauce, not much. Sweet with the brown sugar and the jellied cranberry sauce. So good. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, click the enable notifications bell, thumbs up, share it, comment, come back and see us soon. Don't forget, if you need a recipe for the holidays, there you go. Quick and easy. You don't ruin your day preparing it, and everybody will be asking for the recipe. Guys, have a good day.